Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you confused about which crypto exchange is the best in 2025? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to break down the top 3 and find the best one to fit your trading needs. Let's go.
Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're having an excellent day today. So, we are back on the channel today talking about the 3 best crypto exchanges that you might be using right now, or maybe you're thinking of switching in 2025. But before we get into the video, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and due diligence before you invest, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get rocking right now and start talking about these exchanges. But, choosing the right crypto exchange is the first step towards successful investing. As you guys all know, it can be difficult to choose the right one. Maybe you're skeptical, but there's hundreds of platforms out there, and it can be very confusing and hard to know where to start. But in this video, we're going to review the top 3, right? Whether you're just getting started, maybe, or looking for advanced tools, there's an exchange out there for you. And the first one we're going to talk about today is Coinbase. And yes, Coinbase is very cool. I do have a buddy that uses it, and he's taught me a lot about converting with it. Now, Coinbase is one of the most beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchanges that are out there right now. It's based in the US, and it offers an intuitive user interface, strong regulatory compliance, and robust security, which is very important because we all want security. I know you do. I know I do if I'm going to be investing in crypto. And it makes it the go-to platform for first-time crypto investors. As you can see, it has a lot of cool features over here. You can see all these awesome features and break everything down. You can come up here and check all this out for yourself to see if Coinbase is right for you. I'm still learning about it, so I'm pretty excited to keep learning about it and going through this stuff with you guys. And I'm really excited today, so I hope you guys are as well. Now, a lot of the key features that this offers is a large selection of cryptocurrencies for spot trading. So you could trade on the spot right away using Coinbase, and it also has a very clean and simple UI, which is ideal for new users. I know that's what you guys are all looking for. Maybe you're like, well, I don't really want to get into these exchanges because a lot of them seem intimidating because a lot of them have some technical jargon, or maybe the user interface is a little too complicated for you. I get that. I understand that. So I appreciate the simplicity of Coinbase. So it also offers educational resources through Coinbase Learn, which is really cool, and it offers rewards for learning as well. And you're also going to get additional products like the Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase Pro, which is out there for advanced users. And it also has regulatory compliance in the United States, making it compliant, right? And that's important. And it's also ideal for beginners entering the crypto space. So if you're a beginner, this is going to be very ideal for you. And I know that you're going to get a lot out of using Coinbase because of its simplicity. And users seeking a trusted US-based platform, and investors who want a simple mobile web experience with good customer support, these are all the things it's ideal for, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to get more into Coinbase. Like I said, my buddy's been teaching me some stuff with it, and I've really enjoyed it, okay? So as you can see here, it has a lot of really great features, like I said, and you can get into it right away. You can check it out and see if it's right for you. If you're thinking of investing, I recommend this one for beginners because it's very easy to use and the user face is very user friendly. All right, now we're going to talk about Binance. All right, guys, so yeah, Binance is really cool as well, and it is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. That's right. Known for its vast coin listings, also low fees and advanced trading capabilities. Binance is going to serve as a global audience and supports everything from spot trading to complex derivatives. As you can see here, it has over 282,525,600, it's going up, 704 trusted users. So very cool stuff. I've heard a lot of good things about Binance. Again, this is the one that I use to convert my crypto from USDT to cash or whatever. So I really trust Binance, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it as well. And it's amazing. And some of its key features are low trading fees as low as 0.1%. So think about that when you're thinking about investing in a crypto exchange. You get that low introductory 0.1% fee, which discounts using BNB tokens. So it gets even lower over time, okay? And you can access hundreds of crypto pairs and token listings. I think that's amazing. You also get advanced trading options, futures, margins, and P2P. Awesome stuff, peer-to-peer trading, very cool. You can earn passive income with it as well with staking, savings, and launch pool. So I think that's very exciting. And it also offers an educational platform. And as a new crypto person myself, I really appreciate the fact that these different crypto exchanges that we're talking about today all have these educational portals which allow you to learn more about how they work, their functionalities, the intricacies, and all the details that you're going to need to learn throughout your crypto journey. So I really recommend Binance as well because it has this awesome academy that provides free detailed crypto lessons. Very cool stuff. And this is ideal for intermediate to advanced traders, users that seek high liquidity. Okay, so if you're one of those users that seeks a high liquidity and access to many altcoins, Binance is going to be for you. Investors exploring DeFi, staking, and yield farming options. So that's very important. And you can get all your frequently asked questions answered here. You can check out all the different features of Binance up here as well. So make sure that you do that. You can start earning tokens by clicking here, checking out all the awesome features that it offers. I highly recommend it. It's great. Binance is definitely one that I'm really excited for. All right, so now we're going to talk about Kraken. All right, so here we are on Kraken's homepage, and Kraken is a US-based exchange known for top-tier security and regulatory compliance. As again, I'm going to say this right now, I really appreciate Kraken. This is the wallet that I use. Unfortunately, USDT is not accepted in Canada. I don't know why, but so I have a Kraken wallet though, so I highly recommend it. I do use other coins with it and accept other crypto with Kraken, but it offers both beginner-friendly and advanced trading interfaces along with features like futures, staking, and margin trading. And it's absolutely amazing, okay? You're also gonna get awesome key features, okay? So the key features are highly secure, cold wallet storage, two-factor authentication, and advanced security protocols. I know that's all important to all of you. It also offers spot, margin, and futures trading for over 200 crypto assets. I mean, that is just off the map, right? It's great. It also has a simple UI on Kraken's main platform and advanced tools in Kraken Pro. Strong customer support and educational guides for traders of all levels. So if you're a beginner, this platform, Kraken, I highly recommend it because this is what I've been using and I've been getting a lot of cool experiences out of it. There's also a transparent fee structure and global accessibility. So that's very important. It's going to make you feel a little bit better about investing in exchanges, right? Because these are the top three that everybody's been using right now, okay? And it's ideal for security conscious investors like myself, traders interested in advanced tools with compliance, which is very important, right? US and EU based users looking for regulated options. An important thing to note for users is each exchange serves different user levels from total beginners to full-time traders, okay? It has all these amazing features. You can earn weekly rewards and all this cool stuff. I really enjoy it. And I recommend using Kraken as well. I recommend Coinbase and Binance. So we're going to break down a little bit more here. And Coinbase is great for ease of use and regulatory confidence. Binance offers the most features for active traders and crypto explorers, okay? And Kraken provides a secure and balanced option with compliance and advanced tools, okay? Now, I understand that choosing the right crypto exchange depends on your goals. So we need to know what your goals are. Leave it down in the comments. So are you just starting? Do you want to trade actively, okay? Or do you value security and regulation above all? The good news, all three of these platforms, Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, are top tier platforms trusted by millions around the world.
Alright guys, so which exchange are you using right now, and do you plan to switch in 2025? Let us know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and share the video with those looking to invest in crypto, and we'll see you in the next video.